Welcome. If you've been wondering how to automatically approve everyone's comments on your Snapchat posts, you're in the right place. Snapchat has made it pretty simple to manage who can interact with your content. And today, I'll walk you through the updated method step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings live. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the section called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls how and when you get notified about activity on your account. Keep scrolling until you reach the Privacy Control section. Under this section, look for something called Comments Settings and tap on it. This is where Snapchat lets you control who can comment on your snaps and how those comments are handled. Inside Comment Settings, you'll see different options. What you want to do here is select Auto Approve Everyone.